Hello, my fellow TCH 432 students. I just wanted to create this short screencast to take you through the wiki that I created for as part of our CMS project. So I created my CMS for my NCHS bioengineering class, my biotechnology class. So you can see here, it looks very similar to the opening page that we have for our current TCH 432 wiki. Navigation pane over here on the right hand side, a little picture here, one of those little word jumble things as part of the introduction. So the opening page here just gives a brief rundown of what this page was created for, and then there's a week one announcement where I created a video screencast that just kind of takes my students through how to kind of get into the page and how to use it. Also gives them instructions on what to do for week one, like creating a little self-introduction down here at the bottom. And I took them through each of these navigation links over here on the right-hand side, and I'll do the same for you. So the first link there is just the home link to bring you back to this main page. The second link is the assignments page, and there are currently 2 assignments posted there. The first assignment deals with our infectious disease unit. We do this project called Rapid Pathogen, where they have to track the outbreak of a disease through a select group of patients. And one of the tools they have to use is a program called BLAST through the National Institute of Biotechnology. And this assignment here just kind of takes them through how to use it so that when they get to that main assignment, they're more familiar with it and it goes a little smoother. The second assignment down here is an assignment about infectious disease, and it's a multicultural study. So it looks at the burial and funeral rituals of different cultures and talks about how those different rituals can lead to the spread of infectious disease and some of the things we need to look out for, different modes of transmission and so forth. The second link over here, or the third one down, the second one I'm going to take you through is a course outline. And the course outline just has lesson plans and what we're going to be doing in class for the first couple weeks in August. And you can see here that there are some different things that are linked here. So this one here is one of my digital technology assets that I created. It's research and discuss the Ebola virus. And if you click on that link, it actually takes you to a Padlet that I created on the Ebola virus. Some different infographics that I collected here. And there's a short video that talks about how the human body fights an Ebola virus infection as well. Down here, there's a link to the BLAST program that I alluded to in the last assignment that I was just discussing with you. And then down here, there's a BLAST practice screencast that I created. It's another one of my digital technology assets that takes you through how to use the BLAST program and exactly how they're going to utilize that. And then my last digital technology asset that I created is this little infographic, this little picture down here, this funny picture. I own a couple boxers, so I thought this was kind of funny, so I went ahead and threw that in there as well. Hopefully make my students laugh. Down here, I have a link to resources, and this just takes us to some common links. So Center for Disease Control, or the CDC website, World Health Organization, National Library of Medicine, which also houses the National Center for Biotechnology Information. This is where the BLAST program is located. The FDA, and then a link to a video we're going to watch, which is the Plague Fighters video. And then there's another video that we also look at, which kind of looks at the Ebola virus outbreak as well, the more recent one. This is an older historical one. There's a link here for student pages, which have not yet been created. In the introduction video that I created, it also gives them instructions to create their own student page. And then the last link over here on the right-hand side is my syllabus. So I've linked a digital copy of my Microsoft Word document here, my syllabus for my class. And if you click on that, it goes ahead and downloads that for you and opens it. And I'll just kind of give you a little preview of that as well. So here's that. It gives my office hours and my email address and expectations for my classroom and so forth. So I think that pretty much covers it. Hit the home button here and take you back to the beginning so you can see that works as well. That's pretty much it. That's everything that, dealing with my CMS page. I'm really looking forward to using this for my class and making it a useful activity and not just something else that I had to do for a class. So thanks for taking the time to view this, and hope that the rest of your summer goes well.